It was a setup.
Nah, it was a setup with Derrick, Cat.
Yeah.
This ain't no setup.
Did he say I didn't want to do nothing?
Yeah.
Yeah, but he the one keep time. I'm betting 400.
Where you betting that fucking time?
Tony?
Oh, Tony gonna win?
He always talking. He ain't gonna do shit.
I done bet somebody 40 on the other side for the Tony.
He been sleeping. He don't do nothing but sleep. You gonna count? You gonna count that week, bitch? Fucking count.
Man,
fucking count.
Hey, I'm bet 100. You wanna say some shit?
This race not fit.
I think
ain't nasty. You count. Don't count. Don't count that week. We just called Blueberry Muffin in the motherfucking oven, baby. Hey, we ain't gonna go up like this. We gonna go in the real.
Oh, in the real?
Boom.
Yeah, that upper.
Boom. In the real. We going for the fucking. Boom.
Man, I done told you, dog.
Fucking raspberry. When you going for 500. When you going for 500. How many bet no?
Hey, man,
Yeah.
I
done bet it 40.
When I tell him about scrap.
Oh, yeah.
Scrap was the weakest bitch out here.
Yeah.
That's the next weakest motherfucker. They ran in a row.
Yeah.
Weak bitch.
Weak bitch, man.
Weak bitch. Weak motherfucker. Weak ass shit. Weak ass shit.
King Hawthorne right here.
Oh, you can see the sport.
Yeah.
I bet you something else. Man, that man got 2 cars.
Tony like a motherfucker. Get tired
like that. Yeah, that man got 2 cars.
Damn.
Got 2 motherfucking cars.
Some more money.
Stop it down. Thank you, sir. Stop it down. Thank you, sir. Stop it down. Stop it down. Something happened this morning. Something happened. You can sit on the knee. Something happened this morning. Oh, you can see the sport.
Yeah.
I bet you something happened. Man, that man got 2 cars.
Hey, man. I can't let you talk too long, no, man.
Blow them in the wind. Hey, look out. They like dirt. They washed up.
Tony got fucked up.
Don't see me now. Right here, no.
Don't take me my money, man. Keep your tune to the front.
He ain't giving that thing.
Taco tonight. Hey, wake that music up, man. Wake that music up, man. Put it Tony who? Put it Tony who? Put it Tony who? Hey, race is luck. It's lucky, see. They got luck.
Yeah.
Man had about 2 cars.
Damn.
That man had about 2 cars.
Damn.
That man slept.
Pretty Tony.
He been sleeping. He don't do no fucking count.
Man,
Fucking count.
Hey, bet 100. You wanna say some shit?
I think.
Hey, man, you count that week. We can call Blueberry Muffin in the motherfucking oven, baby.
Yeah. Yeah.
I want the splinter out of him or the splinter.
Got Ray Day driving. God, tell them. Uh-oh, here we go. We got Cliff and Ray, y'all. They finna make another shakedown. We gotta see if it's getting stronger. See if it's able to whoop my Caprice. Sound like they got the timer down low. Peeled it up. Don't scare me now. Hold on, y'all. He wanted me to get it from the front.